Namaste. Here I am presenting Nature Calendar 2026. This calendar has many hidden detailing. Let's go through that. This calendar has all the environmentally significant dates. All the environmentally significant dates is marked at the back at the planner. For instance, in January 5th is National Bird Day. So there is a bird picture. In the planner, similarly, all public holidays that is available in India is mentioned. And a quote that is related to either picture, either environmentally significant date or the month is mentioned. For example, for January, it's every bird, every tree, every flower reminds us what a blessing and privilege it is to be just alive. And similarly, we have English name, scientific name, Malayalam name, and the location below the picture. This is the bioluminescence fungi of Goa. The forest will illuminate during the night like firefly glows in the night. So the other important significance of this calendar is that we have bird picture, bioluminescent fungi picture, mammal picture, amphibian, reptile picture all included in the same calendar. And there is a quote relating to that picture or environmentally significant date. March, all the environmentally significant dates of March is mentioned in the planner, below the planner. And one of the environmentally significant date is World Frog Day. So a picture of Wayanad bush frog is kept for the March. And there is a phrase relating to the frog. It means eat the frog. Eat the frog is a phrase that means completing your most challenging task the first. In April, it's UN Earth Day. So, a peafowl standing on a tree trunk on a earth, implying the significance of earth, is put on April month. There are a lot of environmentally significant dates in May, but I kept this image for another reason. Every second Sunday of May is celebrated as Mother's Day. So a mother black buck with fawn is kept in for May month. And the quote here is, I can imagine no heroism greater than motherhood. Most of us will be already aware, June 5th is World Environment Day. So in order to signify the environment, here in this picture, there is a butterfly, it's blue momon. It is emerging from pupa and the host plant is citrus plant. This butterfly only lays eggs in citrus plant. So this image is kept. In July it's World Snake Day. So an orange morph of Malabar pit viper is kept for July. This is a picture of a female tigress, the granddaughter of famous Parvali of Uttarakhand. It's taken from the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. It is, you can see a nice backdrop of spotted owl. It is taken from HD Kotai on the way to Kabini. In October it is World Reptile Day. So it is a juvenile monitor lizard. If you see the monitor lizard, there won't be much spots that is seen in juveniles. When the juveniles grows up, the spots will be disappearing. Most of us will be already aware, November 12th is National Bird Watching Day celebrated respecting our famous ornithologist Salim Ali's. It's Salim Ali's birthday. So a bird picture is kept. It's mountain hawk eagle taken from Satal in Uttarakhand. For this image, there is a significant quote kept. It is a famous quote by Marwan Markol. This is very famous during Israel-Palestine war. It's used as a Palestinian slogan. It states, in order for me to write poetry that isn't political, I must listen to the birds. And in order to hear the birds, the warplanes must be silent. December, it's International Mountain Day. So a picture of mountain species, a species that is only found in Himalayas, Koklas peasant is kept, and a quote of Edmund Hillary states, "It is not a mountain we conquer, but ourselves." And other importance of this calendar is there is a perforation at top and bottom of the picture. So after the use, I mean after December, you can fold it so that it will tear out, and you can frame it or give someone as gift, December gifts. This calendar is now available in online. So I'll be giving the Google form link in the description or on the bio. That's it. Thank you so much.